everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be talking about all kind of dupattas that are in style nowadays and the ones you should have in your wardrobe these days. So before we go into details, some quick short tips for what kind of dupattas you should have in your wardrobe for different occasions your way. First is dupattas can be the make or break point of your whole outfit. The right dupatta fabric can also be used to create a beautiful hijab style for you. How you style the dupatta will define the whole personality of the outfit. Wearing two dupattas is the new bridal thing these days, looks elegant and helps you make a style statement with your dupatta. A knot style and muffler style stole dupatta can make the outfit look modern. They are particularly recommended with western wear or when wearing kurtas with jeans. It's preferable to go for dupattas with light embroidery when your outfit is heavier and vice versa. Wear your dupatta like Superman's cape to complement your outfit. So now that that's done, let's get ahead into the list of dupattas that you should have in your wardrobe. So the first dupatta type is Hyderabadi Khada dupatta. Originating from Hyderabad, the Khada dupatta is linked back to the royal families of the subcontinent. No matter what your age or body shape, the dupatta can always be styled to perfection. It's a 6-yard long, upright dupatta that is draped in a unique way, mostly with kurta and churidar pajamas. Unlike all the other dupattas we'll be discussing today, this one is not so really available and it has to be custom made. The next type is velvet dupattas. Velvet dupattas were seen everywhere we turned last winter. They were the talk of the town and so they should be because they look magical and puts up the game of a formal dress from 1 to 10. We all are hoping velvet dupatta trend stay till coming winters as well. Fingers crossed, and even if it doesn't, velvet never goes out of fashion, right? The next type is shawl dupattas. Shawl dupattas are the perfect essential for winters. Looks modest and royal, keeps you warm and is fashionable at the same time. Shawl dupattas can be paired with everyday outfit as well as weddings outfits with embroidery. Every girl needs to have at least one shawl dupatta in her wardrobe, though our recommendation is to have at least two. One should be reserved for formal wear and this can be an embroidered shawl, while the plain shawl is just for casual everyday wear, like when you are running out of the house to run errands and can't find a matching dupattas. Grab the neutral shawl. Another recommendation is to invest in one of the extinguished royal shawls with tilla work that you can use to cover yourself during the cold winter weddings. Now another type is hand blocked silk chanderi dupattas. Hand blocked silk dupattas look like sheer work of art. Next type is Ajrak dupattas. These age-old Sindhi dupattas have been every girl's crush at one point or another. They look spectacular when worn with plain suits. Blogger Shizween is seen here wearing the dupatta with a plain outfit and her limited edition jewelry that she has designed in collaboration with Indian Trend. Another type is dupattas for hijab. When it comes to covering your head, the hijab fashion has evolved over the years. Initially, it was more about covering your head and chest modesty with big and loose head scarves. However, with time, the hijab style had emerged with modern fashion. Thus, difficult hijab styles and dupatta styles has evolved. One beautiful and elegant hijab dupatta to must have in your wardrobe is a sleek, shiny satin fabric dupatta. It adds a luxurious and glitzy touch to the outfit, be it plain satin scarves or the plain ones. Make sure you get a good looking fabric as satin catches and reflects light from different angles. We will suggest you start with the dark colors and then land on the lighter ones once you are comfortable with the fabric. Another dupatta you must have in your wardrobe at all times, especially in summers, is a lightweight crepe fabric dupatta. The crepe fabric has always been worn and carried by Asian women in the past fashion era, as it is lightweight and it does not add up too much volume over the head in warm weather. Crepe is a perfect fabric to make headscarves as they are not too slippery and stays on the head. You can wear a crepe fabric dupatta as a headscarf while going out with your friends in summer for lunch, school, work or anywhere casual. Light colors look better in crepe fabric and we will suggest you to stock up crepe dupattas to pair with any of your outfits and get going. Tired of the same brands and watching the same prints that everyone is wearing? Why not design your own outfit this year? Tie and dye dupattas give you so much room for creativity. Most local Indians and Pakistani cloth markets have dyes that can give you a customized dupatta, dyed in color and design of your choice at an incredible reasonable rate. And if you are brave enough, try dyeing your dupatta since it's such a fun activity. Moreover, dyeing is a pretty straightforward process, so it's worth trying at least once in your lifetime. Now comes my favorite type, that is chunri dupatta, or you can say bandej dupatta also. On a chunri dupatta, it's my absolute favorite thing. I would suggest you all buy colored chunri print dupattas and make your plain and dull outfit vibrant and eye-catching. Everyday plain and dark kurta pajamas can be turned into festive looking and vibrant outfits with a chunri dupatta and some desi jhumkas and neck piece to complete the look. Chundri dupattas have come and gone from fashion, but they never entirely go off the screen. It can serve you as your go-to dress for any special occasion. Heavy embroidered wedding attires can be paired with chundri dupattas as well. Stock up your wardrobe with chundri dupattas this wedding season and you are sorted for all the lined dholkis for sure. It is as lightweight as it can get, which makes it perfect for summers. You can see in front of you wedding look with chunri dupatta as well as chic casual outfit for daily wears. With spring comes floral print. Nothing more come to the eyes vibrant spring and summer appropriate than a floral print dupatta. Floral dupattas paired with floral printed suits or otherwise with everyday outfits. It can put up the game of an outfit from 1 to 10. Floral prints are seen wherever you turn in spring and then it prolongs to summers most of the times, which makes it appropriate for both the seasons. You can pair a floral print dupatta with a plain kurta pajama, anarkali or a peshwas or beautiful lawn gowns. Floral print dupattas make for a beautiful headscarf as well. Chiffon dupattas are the most beautiful and trendy dupattas to have in your wardrobe right now. All lawn outfits nowadays are coming out with printed chiffon dupattas and they honestly add more beauty to the incredible lawn outfits. Chiffon dupattas look equally pretty with lawn or embroidered attires. You should stock up your wardrobe with chiffon, floral or plain dupattas which can go with all your lawn attires. Embroidered outfits with the same embroidery on it as well as neck scarves over jeans and shirts. A plain kurta pajama or salwar kameez, anarkali dress or peshwas can be paired with gota work chiffon dupattas or floral print ones to add color and beauty to the dull and one color plated boring outfits. Chiffon dupattas are very easy to find in local markets as well. Net dupattas are the most exceptional work of beauty, I must say. They add a glittery yet elegant style to the outfit. Heading out to a get together and don't know what to throw over your desi attire, a net dupatta is the answer. Net dupattas are seen on every corner you turn to these days, be it heavy worked wedding wear, lawn or chiffon suits, or party wear embroidered outfits for weddings and festives both. You can pair a white Banarsi salwar kameez with a net dupatta with some gota on it, and you are ready for a dholki mayuns, Mehendi, Diwali, Eid, or a casual get together with friends. A net dupatta works with anything and everything. It's precisely the right time to stock up your wardrobes with beautiful net dupattas of all kinds. As soon as we talk about Georgette dupattas, our brain instantly lands on wedding attires. That is because Georgette dupattas are mainly worn with heavy wedding attires and party wears embroidered outfits, as Georgette dupattas is party heavy itself, and it cannot be carried with everyday attires to university or offices or work. To tame down the beauty and a heavy worked Georgette dupatta, you should best wear it with a plain salwar kameez, a peshwas or anarkali dress with some jhumkas and bangles to top it off. These Georgette dupattas are statement pieces themselves, so they don't need any embroidered outfits to make them more eye catchy. It adds a royal look to the whole outfit. Georgette outfits are pretty heavy to wear over your head, so they usually are carried on the sides. Banarsi always reminds me of a royal princess. Banarsi fabric makes up for the best saris to carry, which have been widely loved by Indian women. Indian women have been seen wearing Banarsi saris elegantly from decades now, and Pakistani women have taken upon Banarsi lehengas and dupattas with sheer elegance as well. Banarsi dupattas are shiny, vibrant, and look uber desi and beautiful over shalwar kameez or peshwaj outfits. Banarsi silk dupattas have been trending lately, and they look beautiful to wear. Fulkari dupattas are so beautiful, something you all ladies need to stock up your wardrobe with as soon as possible. Fulkari dupattas have originated from Punjab, and they demonstrate Punjab's colorful vibe and beauty better than anything. Nothing would be better than to pair your eye-catching, bright and beautiful Fulkari dupattas with a silk ghagra and shirt for a formal look. Add some of your colorful jewelry on the top and you have a full-fledged outfit for a desi wedding event. Fulkari dupattas consist of complex embroidery in different styles and shapes. The Fulkari embroidery is done on woven cotton, chanderi and silk fabric with a floss silk thread. These beautiful dupattas are in style, absolutely breathtaking, and add a royal style to a simple dull outfit. This wedding season, use all the Fulkari dupattas you have, and if you don't, then what are you waiting for? Since such dupattas look great with loosely fitted bottoms, have a look at these. Every year is certain style lands and then takes off for another style and fabric to make it place next year. This year it is the Kiran dupatta. Kiran is the sparkly tassel knitted to the side of the dupattas of wedding and desi event wear. Kiran dupattas are highly versatile with many different types of designs available, so you can always find one that goes with your budget. Different colored Kiran dupattas are must have in your wardrobe for this wedding season. Don't miss out on this beautiful style while it lasts. Kiran dupattas have come back in fashion now after the 90s and 80s, and we are not complaining at all. Beautiful Kiran dupattas paired with a heavy embroidered or plain suit looks breathtaking. They look great with your fancy wedding lehenga cholis. Gota work dupattas are back in town. Honestly, Kiran and Gota work dupattas have made desi wedding colorful and fun once again. What is a wedding or a wedding outfit without some Kiran or Gota work? Gota work can be done on net, chiffon, silk or any other fabric for that matter, and it will look as beautiful as ever. Although this work of art only looks its best on net dupattas, even the most simple suit can be glammed up with a simple Gota work dupatta. And the last type of dupatta is dupatta with borders. Tassels are the new cool these days. tassel shirt, tassel earrings and tassel dupattas. You can buy any plain dupatta and add tassels by yourself, or you can buy already made dupatta with tassels. It works both ways as long as it has tassels. The new lawn collection suits and dupattas are now coming with already attached tassels. These look chic and cute on colorful floral embroidered and printed shalwar suit outfits. Stock up your wardrobe with the tassel dupattas for this lawn season, as you don't want to be left hanging out of the fashion statement of the year. Put intended, you can sew them tassels to your dupatta at home quickly as well. There are of course many other type of dupattas border that you can go for. One of the latest trend is of a triangular dupatta border, which looks both unique and extinguished. So that's it for now. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.